Hello students, we are going to discuss about Hess law problems. Calculate the heat of formation of ethane gas at 298.15 Kelvin from its element using Hess law. Data: heat of formation of carbon dioxide in gaseous form minus 393.51 kilojoule per mole. Heat of formation of water in liquid form minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole. Heat of combustion of ethane gas at 298.15 Kelvin minus 1560.69 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. Objective of this problem: heat of formation of ethane gas at standard temperature 298.15 Kelvin from its element using Hess law. Are you clear or not? Okay. So how will you identify this problem is a Hess law problem? In problem itself, standard heat of formation and standard heat of combustion values are given. Then it is a Hess law problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. Students, keep in your mind, you should know the given component chemical formula. Then only you can able to solve the problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. Solution of this problem: first you should write basis. So basis of this problem: 1 mole of ethane gas. How will you take 1 mole of ethane gas? Data are given in terms of kilojoule per mole. That's why you should take 1 mole of ethane gas. Are you clear or not? Okay. So procedure for solving Hess law problem: step number 1. Based on given data, you should write the stoichiometric chemical reaction. So the first value, carbon dioxide formation. As per the data, C plus O2 gives CO2, carbon solid form, oxygen and carbon dioxide in gaseous form, delta H1, that is standard heat of formation of carbon dioxide, minus 393.51 kilojoule per mole. This is the given data. Second one, based on the given data, H2 plus of O2 gives H2O, hydrogen, oxygen in gaseous form, water in a liquid form. Standard heat of formation of water is given minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole. Third data, standard heat of combustion of ethane gas. Ethane gas formula C2H6, combustion reaction plus 3.5 O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O. So ethane, oxygen, carbon dioxide in gaseous form, water in a liquid form. Delta HC0, that is standard heat of combustion of ethane gas, minus 1560.69 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. Step number 2. Refer the combustion reaction. Identify the number of moles of combustion products are formed. Are you clear or not? Okay. Which one is the third reaction here? C2H6 plus 3.5 O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O. This reaction is a combustion reaction. Are you clear or not? Okay. So identify the number of moles of combustion products are formed. So from this reaction, what are the combustion products? Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide 2 kilomole, water 3 kilomole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So step number 3, based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction, we should multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 3. Then add these two equations and we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. Then we will get standard heat of formation of ethane gas reaction and its value. Are you clear or not? Okay. First, we are going to calculate standard heat of formation of ethane gas. As per the procedure, based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction, we should multiply reaction 1 by 2 and multiply reaction 2 by 3, then add these two equations, 2 into reaction number 1 plus 3 into reaction number 2, and we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. Which one is the rest of the reaction? Reaction number 3 minus reaction number 3. Then we will get standard heat of formation of ethane gas value. Are you clear or not? Okay, that is reaction number 4. So this is standard heat of formation reaction of ethane gas. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the reaction 4 is equal to 2 into reaction 1 plus 3 into reaction 2 minus reaction number 3. So the reaction 4 is equal to 2 into delta H1 plus 3 into delta H2 minus delta H3. All data are available in our problem. You should take that value, substitute here, find out standard heat of formation of ethane minus 83.82 kilojoule per mole. Next we are going to develop the expression for standard heat of formation of ethane gas based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction. We should multiply reaction 1 by 2 and multiply reaction 2 by 3, then add these two equations, 2 into reaction 1 plus 3 into reaction 2, and we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. Which one is the rest of the reaction? Reaction number 3 minus reaction number 3. Then we will get standard heat of formation of ethane gas reaction, that is reaction number 4. As per the procedure, reaction 4 is equal to 2 into reaction 1 plus 3 into reaction 2 minus reaction 3. This is equation capital A. Are you clear or not? Okay. From this reaction, first we are going to calculate 2 into reaction 1. So from reaction 1, which one is the reaction? C plus O2 gives CO2. So here CO2 comes to this side, C plus O2 minus CO2 equal to 0. So this reaction multiplied by 2, 2C plus 2O2 minus 2CO2 equal to 0. This is equation B. Second part, 3 into reaction number 2. Which one is the reaction 2? H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. So H2O comes to this side, H2 plus half O2 minus H2O is equal to 0. So this reaction multiplied by 3, finally we get 3H2 plus 3 by 2 O2 minus 3H2O equal to 0. This is equation C. Reaction 3, directly you should take the reaction 3, C2H6 plus 3.5 O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O. C2H6 plus 3.5 O2, 2CO2, 3H2O comes to this side, minus 2CO2 minus 3H2O equal to 0. This is equation D. Substitute equation B, C, D in capital A. Finally we get 2C plus 2O2 minus 2CO2 plus 3H2 plus 3 by 2 O2 minus 3H2O minus of third expression, C2H6 plus 3.5 O2 minus 2CO2 minus 3H2O is equal to 0. Which one is a cancel here? Oxygen 2O2 plus 3 by 2 O2, then minus 3.5 O2. The oxygens are cancelled. Then water is cancelled. 3H2O, 3H2O. One is minus, another one is the plus. Carbon dioxide also cancelled. Minus and plus. Finally we get 2C plus 3H2 minus C2H6 equal to 0. C2H6 comes to this side. So in equation form, 2C plus 3H2 gives C2H6. So this is standard heat of formation of ethane gas reaction. So what about this value? Standard heat of formation of ethane, already calculated value, you should take that value, minus 83.82 kilojoule per mole. Thank you for your attention.